Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app using Glide. First, navigate to the Glide website and sign up for a free account using your Google credentials. Glide is a fantastic no-code platform that allows you to transform your existing spreadsheets, like Google Sheets, into fully functional mobile applications in a matter of minutes. It's incredibly intuitive, making app development accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Let's dive in and see how simple it is to get started. Next, you'll connect your data source. The most common choice is a Google Sheet, but you can also use Excel or Airtable. Make sure your spreadsheet is well organized with clear column headers, as Glide uses these to understand your data. Once connected, Glide will instantly generate a basic app based on your sheet structure. This initial setup provides a solid foundation, often taking less than 1 minute to appear, and you can then customize it to your heart's content. Now comes the fun part, customizing your app's appearance and functionality. Glide offers a drag-and-drop interface where you can easily add and arrange components like text, images, buttons, and forms. You can choose from several layout styles for your lists and detail screens. Experiment with different themes, colors, and fonts to give your app a unique look and feel. This design process is highly visual and interactive, allowing for rapid iteration and refinement. Finally, it's time to publish and share your creation with the world. With just one click, your app goes live and is accessible via a unique web link. You can share this link directly or even generate a QR code for easy access. Glide allows you to set privacy controls, making your app public for anyone to use or private for specific users. Your app will work seamlessly across all devices, providing a consistent experience for all your users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.